Uh, Good evening, all. A warm welcome to all. And at the outset, I'd like to thank Appasamy and Dr. Agarwal for this opportunity. Because short of time, I'm going to go into my topic. And my topic of the day is optimizing fluidics for efficient cataract surgery. So all of us know that the most important factor in a safe cataract surgery is the control of the fluidics. So fluidics in other way can be defined as the amount of fluid coming and going inside the eye. There are multiple factors which determine the fluidics, and the most important one is being the size of the phaco needle tip. We all know that different surgeons use different techniques of phacoemulsification and use different bore size. Hence, the latest generation phacoemulsification machine has to be really versatile to accommodate all these parameters. And a one-step shop to answer all these versatility is the Galaxy Leo Orbit from the Appasamy, which is an aesthetically designed a machine which has incorporated the active fluidics or the real-time fluidic system into this place. So the highlight of this machine is that the real-time fluidics, which has a controlled infusion into the anterior chamber based on the pressure changes inside. And additionally, it also has got a traditional gravity-based irrigation system, which some surgeons who are already used to it can use it. So the custom IP settings or the real-time fluidics can be set somewhere from 50 to 100 based on your phacoemulsifying techniques and the type of cataract. But I normally use the automated one where you forget about the settings and the machine, you allow the machine to take care of all the settings inside. And it also has a Dematic cutter, which goes up to 2000 cuts per second. One added feature about the handpiece is that it's a crystal handpiece which weighs only 23 grams, and it has a multi-directional or the orbital mode of the tip. So this lightweight handpiece helps the surgeon to perform all intraoperative maneuvers with ease. The other additional features are the inbuilt UPS system and the inbuilt compressor will be very helpful during anterior vitrectomy. And more important is the HD definition recording of all the surgeries. Okay, so this video demonstrates the main key features of the Galaxy Leo orbital system. First, the efficient fluidic technology is demonstrated by the stable anterior chamber, which also results in almost nil occlusion as shown here. This feature allows the surgeon to concentrate on all the nucleus disassembly maneuvers and not worry about the trampoline effect of the posterior capsule or a damage to the corneal endothelium, especially while operating on harder cataracts. And you'll be surprised to see that even with this system, the postoperative cornea on day one is very clear. Second, there is an efficient use of the balanced salt solution in this fluidic system, which is actually 20% less than the gravity-based system. This machine has got a special low fluid warning system where the machine shuts down the aspiration and the phaco power and just allows the irrigation to go through, which is very safe and which does not allow the chamber to collapse, and the surgeon can then change the BSS as when needed. Finally, the cumulative power used to emulsify a denser cataract as shown here is actually much less than 30%. This results in a postoperative clear cornea on day one. So each detail from greater anterior chamber stability, low temperature rise due to a reduced power output, and the efficient use of the balanced salt solution leads to an improved surgical outcome and makes the moment of a cataract procedure always better. So the upcoming video is on a soft cataract. Here also you'll see that the chamber is actually very stable, and you'll see all the nucleus coming towards the phaco tip because of the effective real-time active fluidics and the fluidic stability.
Can you make it fast?
Yes, sir. So finally, the Galaxy Leo Orbit phacoemulsifying system is a state-of-art technology in par with any phacoemulsifying systems. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Kumar. It's fantastic. I personally use this machine and I vouch for it. I've taken it head on a comparison with the Centurion, and it performs brilliantly.